This is a Zanussi 9kg XXL quick Lindo300 washing machine. ZWF91483WH, made in Poland, FLP 0941C1. It has a 9kg drum. And its inverter. This door is chrome. This is chrome. So it doesn't need a whole door handle. So anyways. So now 2 programs. You have 30 at 30. There's no available temperature. There's only 800 and there's like maximum 800 reversely drains in. Cottons. There's only up to 90. 400, 1200, 800. Yeah, it's maximum 400. Quick. Inside E7. Reversely drain and spin. Same with Cotton Nico. But no one says it is iron. Synthetics. Okay, max spin next 60. Max spin 1200. Yeah, quick, intensive is iron. Mentally, and drain spin. You guys are in these 800 RPM. Delicates, 40 degrees. Yep, 1200, 800. 1200. Quick, intensive, easy iron. No easy iron, mentally, drain spin. Wool hand wash. 40 degrees. 1200 RPM. No quick, no options. Duvets. 60 degrees. 800 RPM. No options. Mix 20. No temperature. 1200 RPM. Intensive. Intensive. So, is there extra rinse? I'll turn it off. So it has a child lock function. Oh, Star Wars. God's code E40. Oh, thanks. Anyways, the notice that dispenser. He has power check technology. His liquid detergent. His like Mace's main wash. This is fabric softener. He has a power check technology. You can enable it right here. Alright, so it's 9kg more. So, thank you.